Welcome to our Avko Interior tutorial. The most important place to start is preparing your walls before applying the paint. Any imperfections should be filled and sanded down ready for applying your base coat. Please ensure your walls are smooth and free from dust and dirt. We recommend using a water-based emulsion paint as an undercoat, thinned down with water to a 50-50 mix for newly plastered walls, and then a full coat, unthinned, applied on top once this is completely dry. Upon opening the can, stir the paint ready for application. Now it's time to paint the wall. Are you ready? For the first coat, we would recommend applying the paint with a roller. Ensure you use sufficient paint to cover the wall, but don't worry about the finish just yet. Make sure the whole wall is covered. Now leave your paint to dry. Depending on room temperature, drying times may vary, but in most cases, this takes around half an hour to an hour. It's important the paint is fully dry before applying your second coat to ensure the best result. If you're painting a lighter shade, we would recommend repeating the first step of application to ensure full coverage. Now you can decide whether you would prefer to use a roller or a brush depending on the finish. If you're painting with a roller, then your final coat needs to be applied the same as the previous. Before this coat is fully dry, using a soft clean brush, you will need to gently brush over the last coat as demonstrated in the video. If you would prefer a brushstroke finish, apply your final coat using a brush instead of the roller, following a crisscross motion as demonstrated in the video. Once you're happy with the finish, stand back and admire your work and leave to dry. Feel free to contact our friendly sales team with any queries you may have by calling the office on 023 80 452 452 or visit our website www.avkointerior.co.uk for more tips and advice. Want to get hands-on? We offer a variety of workshops for painters and decorators, interior designers and individuals to learn about our products here at Avko Interior Studio in Hamble, Hampshire. Find out more on our website.